We've covered Excel for analysis and PDF for presentations, but sometimes you just need the raw data. CSV stands for comma-separated values. It is a universal file format that strips away all the fancy formatting, leaving just the pure data. This is exactly what you need if you're importing your QuickBooks reports into a CRM, a custom database, or specialized tax software. Let's look at how to get your raw data out of QuickBooks. First, open the report you want to save. Go to Reports in the left side menu, and then click on Standard Report. For this tutorial, I am going to open Profit and Loss Statement. Once your report is open, make sure your dates and accounting method are set correctly. Remember, whatever you see on the screen right now is exactly what will appear on your CSV file. Once your report is ready, head to the action icons in the top right header. Click on that Export icon. It's the little square with the arrow pointing out, to reveal your three main format choices. Click on Export as CSV. Unlike the PDF option, there is no preview window for this one. QuickBooks will instantly generate the raw file and download it to your computer. You'll see it pop up in your browser's download bar or your Downloads folder. When you open a CSV, don't be surprised that it looks very plain. It removes your business logo, the bold headers, and all the grid lines. This is intentional. It provides a clean data set that other software can easily read and categorize. From here, you can upload this file into almost any other business tool you use. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.